Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to boost engagement on threads with interactive polls? Today, I'll show you how to create and share polls on threads in seconds. Step 1. Open Threads and create post. Launch the Threads app and tap the new post icon at the bottom. This is where you start creating your poll post. Step 2. Select poll option. Tap the poll icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the post screen. This will enable poll creation with multiple choices. Step 3. Add poll options. Enter your answer choices for people to vote on. You can add up to 4 different options in a single poll. Before we continue, tap subscribe to keep your tech game strong with Preyo Phonie's step-by-step guides. Step 4. Write your question. Type a clear question or caption for your poll. Make it engaging so people are encouraged to vote. Step 5. Set audience control. Tap reply settings to choose who can vote or reply. Select from everyone, followers, or specific people. Step 6. Post your poll. Tap the post button to publish your poll instantly. Your poll will now be live on your profile. Step 7. Track results. Your poll stays active for 24 hours with a countdown timer. View results in real time as people start voting. And that's how you can create engaging polls on Threads. Subscribe for more smart and practical tech tutorials.